You made money for a guru this year, probably for several. Every course you bought, every tool, every done-for-you system, you were the income stream. Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you the machine that flips that equation. Everything you've ever tried to make money with online ran on the same fuel, attention. And you felt what happens without it. Maybe you even tried posting 11 views, 3 likes, 1 follower, probably a bot. Meanwhile, some anonymous account in the same niche posts 1 video and gains 40,000 followers in a week. It feels rigged. It is, just not the way you think. The algorithms don't reward effort and they don't reward luck. They reward patterns. Content shaped like what's already winning gets pushed to thousands of strangers for free, even from a brand new account. Content that guesses dies at 11 views. The people winning right now aren't more creative than you. They just post pre-approved patterns every day on every platform, like machines. So your options: grind 5 hours a day for a year, pay an agency $2,500 a month, or keep watching from the sidelines. Now flip it. Imagine something that watches every platform for you round the clock. It spots the exact post blowing up in your niche. It makes your version in your voice. It publishes across 15 platforms every single day. Followers show up, and every piece of it carries your link, your affiliate offer, your e-com store, your own product, your lead form, whatever makes you money. You don't film, you don't read, you don't post, you just own the crowd it builds. That's the machine everyone's been waiting for, and it finally exists. Introducing ContentClaw, the AI audience machine. You make one decision, your niche, and it does every job after that, finds what's going viral, recreates it as your content, posts it everywhere, grows the following, and sends all that attention to any link you choose. 3 separate audiences included. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1, create an audience. And I'm logged into my ContentClaw dashboard. Step 1, create an audience. I pick my niche. I'm going with weight loss, but this could be anything: your store's niche, your coaching topic, even a local business and its city. I click create, and boom, it names the account, generates the avatar, writes the bios, and builds this bio page live and host it. Now the important part, my link. I'm dropping in an offer I promote. You could drop in your Shopify store, your book, your booking calendar, any link you want this traffic to hit. Step 2, connect my platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, X, a few clicks each, up to 15. Step 3, Trend Radar finds what's winning. Content Forge makes it mine. Step 3, open Trend Radar. It has already scanned all 15 platforms and found what's trending in weight loss right now. Look at this one, 2.3 million views in 4 days. Graded 9 out of 10 for money potential. This is what's working today, not a guess. So I click create my version. Content Forge takes that winning concept and rebuilds it as my content. New script, my brand's voice, and a version for every platform. A TikTok script, an X thread, a Pinterest pin, 15 in total, each one native. Step 4, activate, and that's it. ContentClaw is now publishing and scheduling this proven content across all 15 platforms daily, automatically, with my link riding along on every post. Tomorrow it scans again, finds the next winners, and does it all again. Forever. From here on, this dashboard is all I look at. Followers climbing, clicks on my link, and the money side arming itself as the audience grows. Bio page from day 1, links in my captions, even a media kit for brand deals later. And here's the proof it works outside a demo. This is a live account. This exact machine has been running for weeks. Real followers, real comments. Every single post on it was found, created, and published by ContentClaw. No human behind it. Now, think about what that machine just set in motion. That audience I built is growing daily from here, and every follower it gains lands on my link. If you promote offers, that's commissions. If you run a store, that's free daily traffic. If you sell your own product or service, that's customers. If you work with local businesses, aim an audience at their city and build them monthly for the growth. And the accounts themselves are assets. Established niche accounts sell for $500 to $5,000 and up on open marketplaces. Quick math. One audience earning even $300 a month across link commissions, creator payouts, and brand deals. You're getting 3 of them. That's $900 a month from machines that show up every single day, whether you do or not. And this is not theory. A private beta ran before this launch. Here's what came back. Sarah, complete beginner. Her first audience passed 4,000 followers in 6 weeks, with her first commissions landing in week 2. Mike runs a Shopify store. He pointed one audience at his own niche, and his store's daily traffic went up by a third without spending $1 on ads. Carlos runs a small agency. He aimed an audience at a local dental clinic's city, showed the owner the growth chart, and signed a $500 a month retainer on the spot. Real people, same machine you just watched. Now, owning the machine is one thing. Squeezing every dollar out of it is another, which is why you're also getting red carpet training free. Live onboarding sessions where our team sets up your first audience with you step by step. Seats are capped per cohort and go in order of purchase, plus 6 fast action bonuses. The Audience Profits Bootcamp, the playbook for stacking every income stream. The first 1,000 followers blueprint. The Evergreen 20 offer sheet, 20 proven offers if you don't have your own link yet. Buy private community access. The Account Flippers Valuation Guide, $952 in bonuses, free. Software plus the complete system in one drop. Now let's put this offer in perspective because the context matters. A social media manager charges $500 to $2,500 a month for one platform. With zero monetization, scheduling tools charge up to $99 a month forever just to post what you still have to create. And building an audience by hand costs 9 to 12 months of daily grinding before real money shows up. You're getting the machine you just watched, 3 audiences, 15 platforms, Trend Radar finding the winners, Content Forge creating your versions, daily automated publishing with your link on every post, the full monetization layer, red carpet training, and all 6 bonuses. Not for $2,500, not for $500, not even for $100. Today, during this launch window only, the entire system costs less than what a scheduling tool charges for a single month. One time. Not monthly, not yearly. Click the button below this video to see the launch deal. Now you might be thinking, sounds too good. What's the catch? There's no catch. Here's the honest business model. Thousands of people get in during launch week. A percentage choose our advanced upgrades later, and your success story helps sell the next copies. You get the machine at launch pricing. We get your case study. Everybody wins, but understand what happens when the launch timer hits 0. 3 things disappear together: the one-time launch pricing, your red carpet cohort seat, and every fast action bonus. After that, ContentClaw becomes a monthly subscription forever, and you're completely protected. 14-day money-back guarantee. Get inside, set up your 3 audiences tonight. Watch Trend Radar pull the winners from your niches. Watch posts you never wrote go live. If you're not completely convinced, reach out for a full refund. Keep the training, keep the bonuses. The only way to lose on this deal is to miss it. One last thing before you decide. Every era of the internet made one group rich. Websites in the 2000s, social media in the 2010s, AI content these last few years. The next wave is ownership. Audiences that pay, built by machines. And the people who move first always win. You've watched it happen every single time. So there are 2 paths out of this video. Path 1, you close this tab. Keep scrolling audiences other people own. Find ContentClaw next month at full monthly pricing with no bonuses and no cohort seat and wonder why you sat this one out. Path 2, you click the button below right now while the launch window is open, and by tonight your first audience is live, posting and growing, and with your link writing on every single post, the window is closing. The button is right below. Click it, pick your first niche, and see you on the inside.